In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily convert a JPG and PNG image files to PDF on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to File Explorer. Now locate the picture. So I have this one. Okay. Right click and then go to Properties. So this is a PNG file. So just simply double click on the photo and that will be open depending on your default photo viewer. And once you have opened the photo, press Ctrl P on keyboard and this print dialog box will appear. Then you can make any changes from here. Now once done, just simply click on print and then save it anywhere like in the desktop. And then file name, just simply name it anything or anything that you want. And for the save as type, click on the drop down and simply choose PDF and click on save. Now let's go to the desktop. And here it is. We have just saved the PNG file as a PDF into our Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.